Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a cool tone neutral eyeshadow look using the LA Girl Keep It Playful palette. It's a 9-pan shadow palette with a mixture of mattes and metallics. Now, because this palette does not have a brown that's deep enough for my skin tone for deepening up the outer V area, I did go ahead and dip into the Colourpop Stone Cold Fox palette for one shadow. Everything I use on the eyes will be listed in the description box below, so let's get started. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.